So guys, today we are going to show you how to mount this amazing bed net. It can fit any bed size apart from the one place bed size. So it's going to fit 2 place, 3 place, king size, queen size, and it is so far one of the best that I've ever sold in the market with less stress. But most of your customers, or most of you customers, when you get it, you find it difficult to mount, or maybe the person that sent it or delivered it to you didn't show you how to mount this. So I'm going to show you step by step how to mount this wonderful bed net. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, share it to your customers, share it to your friends, and those who have had this or those who want to have this. You see how it is very comfortable to sleep in. All right, enough of the talking. Let's go. Don't forget to hit the like button. So the first thing to do is to remove it from the back. It obviously comes with a plastic bag inside of it. You remove it. That one is to prevent the wire from getting dirty. Then you align them like that before you open it, and make sure the inner section comes out. Then you align it to your bed. The side where there is a zipper should face the outside part of the bed. That is where people can get into the net when they are sleeping. So this one is actually lightweight and very better than the other nets or tents that actually gives a lot of heat. Like you can see, I told my younger brother to turn that other side, this side. That is where there is a zipper. So somebody that can enter the bed can enter. When you're done placing it like this, the next thing is to make it to have a good shape so that even your children can run and enter inside. So what do? We stick in this thing under the mattress. So let's go.
Your both is
This is what we're focusing on now. Huh? Okay. Yeah. So guys, as you can see, this top is folded. So you want it to look good. So this ring here is for that. Alright, come see. Take and put on the voila. Put your shirt. So you see, the up is balanced now. So it has given it a good shape. So your children can easily get into this net, in and out. Come see, enter so they see. Unzip 2 sides. One side goes the other side. Gradually, please. It's a gradual process. Entrée. Il faut fermer. Fermer ça. Fermer avec ça. Oui. Et vous pouvez dormir. So now you see, your children can sleep and it is very nice, as you can see. So the next step is folding the tent. In case if you want to pack out or you want to transfer, or your kids are so careless that you want to always save your tent after they are gone. So this is how you do it. Now it is like this. When you remove it, it's like this. Let's say, fold like this, I think, yeah. It's like this. So to fold it back, you just take this side and push it to this other side like this. As simple as ABC. Then fold it into out. Now, when you're done folding it like this, go for the smaller sides. Fold 1. Now, this bigger side, you need to fold it twice. So you hold this bigger side like this, and you have two. Like you know, buy. Okay, and action. So this is it. Then now you can put it back. Like that. And you are good to go. You put it in your bag. Just feel like big in your bag. All over the world, the spirit is moving. And you do same for this. You fold twice. You know. It in the bag. And ladies and gentlemen, you can use this and transnet to wherever you want to transnet to. So you don't need to be using this one. This one is too thick and gives a lot of heat. This one is too thick and gives a lot of heat, while this one is very light and is better. Less heat, air flows to the house, and your child can sleep perfectly okay. So don't forget to like our video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you on the next video. Bye.